Luxury SUVs are designed to impress you. Get the badge, the comfort. But here's the dark truth most dealerships won't admit. The real test of a luxury SUV isn't how it feels brand new. It's how it survives after the warranty expires. Because once that safety net disappears, you're either driving a machine that still feels bulletproof, or you're bleeding thousands of dollars every year just to keep it alive. And make no mistake, most so-called luxury SUVs become nightmares the moment the warranty clock runs out. That's why today's list is so important. I'm about to show you 12 luxury SUVs that actually stand the test of time. These are the rare ones worth owning after warranty. The ones that won't turn into money pits. The ones that prove true. Luxury isn't about the price tag. It's about lasting power. 1. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a legend for reliability. Even after the warranty expires, it continues to run smoothly with minimal issues. Its V6 engine rarely fails. The transmission is rock solid, and the interior ages like fine wine. While German luxury SUVs start racking up expensive repairs, the RX quietly proves itself. It's why 10-year-old RX models still hold strong resale value. Owning one means peace of mind. You're not worried about every creak or sensor warning. 2. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is one of the few luxury SUVs that doesn't betray its owners after warranty. Its V6 engine, solid build, and durable electronics continue performing reliably for years. Unlike BMW or Mercedes, the MDX avoids overcomplicated tech that often fails, keeping repair costs low. Owners consistently report longevity and minimal stress. Buying one isn't just about luxury, it's about making a smart choice that won't turn into a money pit once the warranty ends. 3. Toyota Land Cruiser, Lexus LX. The Land Cruiser and its twin, the Lexus LX, are practically indestructible. Even after the warranty ends, their engines, transmissions, and chassis endure massive mileage and extreme conditions. These SUVs are built like tanks with leather seats, deserts, mountains, or city streets. Nothing stops them. They may cost more up front, but owning one after warranty is like investing in an asset that rewards you with years of stress-free driving. 4. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX combines luxury with rugged durability. Built on a body-on-frame platform, it handles tough terrain and heavy use without complaining. After warranty, it remains dependable, unlike many luxury SUVs that crumble with age. Its engine, suspension, and interior all hold up over time. Owning a GX means you spend more time enjoying the drive and less time worrying about costly repairs. 5. Acura RDX. The Acura RDX may be smaller, but it's mighty in reliability. Its engines and transmissions are built to last beyond warranty, and it avoids overly complex electronics that often fail in competitors. Owners report consistent performance and minimal repairs. It's a luxury SUV that works as hard as you do without causing financial stress or frustration. If you want longevity and peace of mind, the RDX is a smart pick. 6. Lexus NX. The Lexus NX may be compact, but it inherits Toyota's legendary reliability. Hybrid or gas versions both remain durable after warranty, with minimal repairs required. The interior ages gracefully, and the engine keeps performing smoothly. While other small luxury SUVs start falling apart, the NX continues delivering luxury without hidden headaches. It's a small SUV with a big reputation for dependability. 7. Infiniti QX80. The Infiniti QX80 is a full-size luxury SUV built to last. Derived from the Nissan Patrol, it combines strength, comfort, and longevity. Even after warranty, its V8 engine and robust suspension remain dependable. While it's big and not fuel efficient, it outshines most competitors in sheer durability. For buyers who want a luxury SUV that survives long-term, the QX80 quietly dominates. 8. Lexus ES Influence. Though technically a sedan, the Lexus ES platform influences many Lexus SUVs, like the RX and NX. This means the same engineering principles, low maintenance, durability, and minimal electronic failures carry over. After warranty, these SUVs retain the ES's reliability DNA. Owning a Lexus SUV means benefiting from decades of proven engineering that keeps them dependable for years. 9. Genesis GV70 and GV80. Genesis SUVs combine modern luxury with Hyundai's reliability DNA. After warranty, Both GV70 and GV80 continue performing well, with durable engines, solid powertrains, and interiors that withstand time. Compared to German competitors that often fail with age, Genesis vehicles remain stress-free. They offer luxury, technology, and dependability, a rare combination in the post-warranty market. 10. Lexus LX. New generations. The Lexus LX is a luxury SUV that practically defies aging. Its engine, frame, and high-quality interior survive long after the warranty ends. Maintenance costs remain predictable, and owners rarely experience catastrophic failures. Driving an LX years later feels like driving a new SUV, making it one of the safest bets for long-term luxury ownership. 11. Acura ZDX, upcoming EV. The Acura ZDX may be electric, but it carries over Acura's reputation for reliability. Even after warranty, its engineering prioritizes durability over flashy, fragile tech. This makes it a potential standout in the luxury EV market, which is often plagued by expensive repairs and software issues. If Acura continues this philosophy, the ZDX will be a wise choice for long-term ownership. 12. Volvo XC90 older, simpler models. Finally, the Volvo XC90 shows that careful European engineering can last. Older, simpler models remain reliable past warranty, with strong engines and minimal electronic problems. While not as bulletproof as Lexus, it's far more dependable than most German SUVs. Choosing the right XC90 gives you European luxury without the common headaches, making it one of the few post-warranty European SUVs worth owning. So now you've seen it, the 12 luxury SUVs that actually survive long after the warranty expires. But here's the real question. Do you trust these picks? Or do you think some of your favorite SUVs were unfairly left out? Maybe you own one of these. Maybe you swear by a different model. Either way, I want to hear your story. Drop a comment below and tell me, which luxury SUV has stood the test of time for you, and which one let you down? Be honest, because this isn't just a list. It's a battlefield for every SUV owner who's tired of being burned by unreliable luxury. Let's see which side wins in the comments.